In this video, I want to talk about variables in C#. Let me explain this more easily with a few examples. Pay attention to the code I write. I wrote string name is equal to Tom. Here I created a variable called name, which is of string type, and I put the value of Tom in it. Another example, I wrote int num is equal to 20. Here I have defined a variable called num, and I set its type to int, and I put the number 20 in it. Well, now with the above two examples, I can provide a definition of a variable. Generally, variables are containers for storing data values. To create a variable, we need a variable name, variable type, which I will talk more about, and variable value. As I said in the previous video, we use the write and writeLine methods to display the output, which are console class methods. If we use the write method, the output will look like this. And if we use the writeLine method, the output will be like this. Well, now pay attention to the example I give. I will once again define a variable named num, but this time I will set its value to 30. If I use the writeLine command again to print num, I see that this time it was printed with its new value of 30. If the value of a variable needs to be changed anytime and anywhere in the program, the programmers overwrite the variable. But in some programs, there are variables whose value must be constant, and if their value is changed anywhere in the program will crash. Programmers to remind themselves or their teammates that there is a variable that if we change its value, the program will have problems. They use const keyword before variable definition. As you can see, anywhere in the program, if we want to overwrite the num variable, the program gives an error and does not allow us to do. Another point is that I suggest you to be careful in choosing variable names to create an understandable and maintainable code. At the end of the video, I want to show you a small example of the use of the plus character in the display of variables.